Hidden enclaves. In the hushed depths of Eldoria's enchanted forests, Seraphina ventured into the heart of a hidden enclave, its entrance veiled by ancient, intertwined branches. The air grew thick with anticipation as she stepped into the sacred sanctuary, where whispers of forgotten incantations lingered like ethereal echoes. Soft moonlight streamed through the canopy above, casting an otherworldly glow upon the lush foliage and moss-covered stones. The enclave, bathed in an aura of mystery, beckoned Seraphina deeper into its ethereal embrace. Her steps were reverent, her senses attuned to the subtle energies that permeated the air. As she delved further into the enclave, secrets unfurled like delicate petals. Seraphina discovered a hidden library, its shelves adorned with dusty tomes, their leather-bound spines whispering promises of forgotten knowledge. Fingers trembling with anticipation, she reached out to caress the aged pages, her touch releasing faint sparks of ancient magic. In the dimly lit chambers, she immersed herself in the wisdom of the written word. Ancient text revealed spells long lost to time, their intricacies unraveling before her curious gaze. Seraphina devoured the knowledge, committing the ancient incantations to her memory, their power resonating within her like a symphony of dormant energy waiting to be awakened. The enclave's gardens, vibrant and ethereal, unveiled their secrets as she wandered among blossoms that pulsed with life. Seraphina found herself drawn to a radiant flower whose petals shimmered in hues unseen elsewhere. With trembling hands, she plucked a petal, feeling its soft velvety texture against her fingertips. In that moment, the flower's vibrant energy surged through her, a transfusion of vitality and purpose. Deeper still, Seraphina stumbled upon a shimmering pool of iridescent water. She gazed into its depths, her reflection merging with the swirling kaleidoscope of magical energies. The pool whispered forgotten prophecies, foretelling glimpses of her destiny intertwined with the fate of Eldoria. Seraphina's heart quickened, for she understood that her journey was intricately linked to the enchantments woven into the tapestry of the realm. As the enclave whispered its ancient secrets, Seraphina's connection to Eldoria deepened. She began to comprehend the delicate intricacies of the magical world, its ebbs and flows, its delicate balance. The enclave became a sacred sanctuary, a refuge where she honed her craft and sought guidance from the spirits of those who came before her. Within the hidden enclave, Seraphina's powers blossomed like the blossoms of a rare and revered plant. She danced among the enchantments, weaving her own spells into the tapestry of Eldoria. The enclave became her haven, where she embraced her identity as the chosen sorceress and entrusted herself to the pulsating rhythms of magic. With newfound knowledge and unyielding determination, Seraphina bid farewell to the enclave, her heart aflame with the weight of her destiny. She knew that her path would be treacherous, but the hidden enclave had bestowed upon her the tools and understanding necessary to face the challenges ahead. Energized and emboldened, she stepped back into the realm, ready to unravel the enigma of the tapestry and restore harmony to Eldoria. Thanks for watching this video. It is very interesting story. It requested to you. If you like my video, please subscribe, like, share and please subscribe the channel Sabir Kids Story. With your support and cooperation, we will bring like this the best video to watch for you. It is very helpful to you in English learning. Once again, thank you very much. Thanks for watching this video. It is very interesting story. It requested to you. If you like my video, please subscribe, like, share and please subscribe the channel Sabir Kids Story. With your support and cooperation, we will bring like this the best video to watch for you. It is very helpful to you in English learning. Once again, thank you very much.